Subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video. So in today's video, I am going to do a light and refreshing drink. I am going to use some carrots that is regarded as vegetable, and I am going to use a piece of cantaloupe and a few slices of pineapple that are regarded as fruits. So I'm going to blend them together in about 2 cups of water and then sweeten with granulated sugar. You can use honey if you want. And then I am going to add just the juice of 1 green lime. So that's basically it. Try this recipe and tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. So I'm going to pass it through a piece of clean cheesecloth, and this is to ensure that there are no, I want it smooth, I don't want anything in the drink. Yeah, so